Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Steam not launching or opening. So first thing first, head over to your Steam application, get logged into your account, and select this Steam icon. You will see settings option as well. Go ahead, click onto it. Now let's go ahead and clear the cache. For that, from your left-hand side, select Downloads. As you do that, you will see this Clear Download Cache. It says clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. This is exactly what we want. So let's go ahead and clear the cache. Once you do that, go ahead, close this, and also close Steam. For that, quit Steam by clicking on this cross icon. And once it is so, also make sure that you quit Steam from this drop-down menu. So if you see Steam, right-click onto it, then select Exit. Now, once done, see if this fixes your problem by opening Steam. If it's still not working, come below at the search bar, type in Steam here, and you will see this Open File Location. Click onto it, again right-click onto it, Open File Location. If you don't see Open File Location, you can also click on Properties. In my case, I already have Open File Location. So let's go ahead, click onto it. You will see steam.exe. Here select Show More Options, and from here select Properties. You will see Compatibility here. Select it, make sure only these two boxes are checked. Select Apply and then OK. Once done, close this. Now go ahead and restart your device and then relaunch your Steam. And once you do that, this will definitely fix your problem.